Once upon a time in the town of Whimsyville, there was a little book named Benny. Unlike other books on the shelf, Benny had a special talent. He could talk. But there was one problem. Nobody ever listened to him. One day, a curious girl named Mia walked into the library. She loved stories, but she had trouble reading. As she ran her fingers across Benny's cover, something amazing happened. He whispered to her. "Hello, Mia. Would you like to hear a story?" Benny said cheerfully. Mia gasped in surprise, but soon she was enchanted by Benny's tales of talking, animals, brave knights, and magical lands. With each story, she learned new words and felt more confident. Word spread through Whimsyville about the talking book, and soon all the children gathered around Benny. He helped them learn English words, phrases, and even some jokes. From that day forward, Benny wasn't just a book. He became the town's magical teacher, helping kids discover the joy of reading and learning new words one tale at a time.